am Connie Ann. My name is Connie Ann. Should I say my surname? No. I am Connie Ann Talanya, Mrs. Connie Ann Talanya Magnay Gementisa Jr., also known as Mrs. Connie Ann Talanya Magnay Quezon the First. I am eating in my bedroom. This one. And then it is my first encounter to do. It starts previous year 2024. Then I like to eat on my bedroom because of the foam. The foam is soft, not just like on the table. The table chair is leather. Myself on leather is not comfortable. It is the chair on the table chair before is such as this, such as this before the table chair, but the table chair that being used is leather. That is why I prefer to eat on inside of my bedroom. What else could I say? I am not copying Korea when it comes to eating. So that is what will I just say. 2 minutes and 7 seconds it is.